Thank you so much for everyone that really made it the time to be here today and to make a time of yourself and if your own busy agendas to be here today.
First and foremost, I'd like to extend a special acknowledgement to Titan Gilroy. His passion and also dedication and relentless pursuit of excellence has been instrumental in shaping the future of CNC machining.
Our kids don't even know what CNC is. And I always tell them, like, that car you drive, that watch you have on this floor, that roof, everything that you live in would not be here if it wasn't for those machines right there.
The main reason why we're here is to promote education within the manufacturing community. I think the one thing that customers should know in North America is that the new Tornos has doubled their service staff. We have doubled our application staff. We have instituted a customer care, 1-877 Tornos 1. We've also doubled our spare parts here in North America. I think the one thing you should know about Tornos North America is that we're all about service and support now.
And what's crazy to me is when I look at the Tornos, is they kind of think of all those unique situations that come up in the industry. I've gone to thousands of companies. I've seen different Swiss machines, turret lathes, 5-axis lathes, you name it. And it's pretty cool to me how they kind of have something for everything. You go even from the GT to the DT, they're similar, but they're different. And another thing is like, I see a lot of longer parts in the industry, so on Swiss it's just easy, that's just part of the game. If you're making a short part, the complexities are the same as a long part. Turning is just turning on a Swiss, right? So it's pretty cool. You can make like a 11-inch part, 3/8 in diameter, no problem, support it. There's so many different unique ways to make parts on these things. Yeah, so that's one of the few things that I like about Tornos, right? There's a lot of different options for whatever type of work you're doing. They have the simple machines and then they have the crazy machines. And we've been bringing all of that to you guys on our channel, but there are more coming. We have all sorts of B-axis lathes coming, machines with all sorts of options. It is really cool to me.
Too many days in the darkness without a glimpse of the light. Running tired and broken and scared, but I swear I'll never give up the fight. I see you broken and beat, head pulled down over your eyes. Every part of you wants to surrender, but darling, you were meant to survive. With every start, we are born again. Open your heart, spend less time in your head. With every start, we are born again. Open your heart, spend less time in your head.
It will blow your mind. Halfway through my speech, I'll be interrupted by my vice president. He doesn't care. He knew I was talking. He made eye contact with me before I started.